So, do you want to play a guessing game? Hear that noise? Hang on, how could you not hear that noise? That's been going on for quite some time and it's just starting to really piss me off. Just a little bit. Now, old mate next door is renovating. He's been renovating for quite some time now. And I have no idea what that sound is, but it's starting to really piss me off. I feel like I'm in a bad acid trip or something. It's freaking me out.
So there was this one time I was in this forest and there were trees everywhere. But they weren't trees, man. No, they weren't trees. They were people. They were people, man. And they were trying to kill me. Yeah, they were trying to kill me.
So besides completely effing annoying, what do you reckon that sound is?